Hi, I'm Andrew, the workshop coordinator at Gatwards. I work with our full-time goldsmith to look after our in-house workshop and bespoke service. I'm always happy to help with any estimates, design sketches and advice. You do not need to book an appointment to bring your jewellery for repair. However, the shop can get quite busy on a Saturday, so booking an appointment then ensures someone is available to help. We do the majority of our repairs on site in our workshop. However, some repairs may require sending to a specialist, for example seal engraving. We have an express service available for certain repairs which can be completed the same day. We aim to complete most repairs within 1 to 2 weeks where possible. You're always welcome to pop in with your item for an estimate of timescale. We only work with precious metals, so that's predominantly gold, silver and platinum. We offer a basic steam clean and a full clean and polish. These are both available via our express service, which can be completed the same day, subject to our goldsmith evaluation of that item. We offer a full bespoke service to make new jewellery from scratch or to breathe new life into old pieces of jewellery. You can book an appointment with me to talk through your ideas. There are many factors which influence the cost of a repair, so we do need to see an item to evaluate it first. We recommend popping in to see us every 6 months or so we can swap problems before they become very costly repairs.